Do you want the payment alerts to keep coming in like clockwork? Are you interested in making up to $250 as a starting point in a day? A few people know this method, and after watching this video, you will be one of those people. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer with internet access to earn or conduct this work. Other than that, you won't have to worry about anything because it is completely free. We'll need to use a tool related to Google Docs. Although this method is quite unconventional, trust me when I say it's incredibly easy, even for beginners without any prior experience or special skills. Pay close attention, as this is thorough but not complicated. It will enhance your financial situation. Before anything else, what you have to do is visit this website. You can find many online jobs here that allow you to work from home and earn a substantial income. Click on to find work, and a lot of job choices will then appear here. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs to get paid every day. I will also teach you how to save a lot of time and the most effective way to make money on this website. By dedicating all your effort to it, this website will only be our basis for online work from home opportunities. One of the most preferred jobs here using MS Word is proofreading. There's no cost to get started because registering here is free. This opportunity is available to everyone, regardless of location. You can even receive daily payments using your preferred method. It says that the payment ranges from $5 to $10 per page of the document. Your task is to simply check the spelling and look for grammatical mistakes. Clicking the link below in the description box for proofreading jobs and will take you to a page where you can apply to be an online virtual proofreader. Don't worry, it's much easier than you might think. At the end of this video, I'll share some free tools that can help automate your work. Be sure to watch until the end to learn what they are. They also offer flexible hours, which is a great benefit. You have full control over how much or how little you work, and you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. All you need is an internet connection and a mobile phone or PC. Step 2. Create an account. Follow the steps on the application page at hirescene.com. Fill out the form accurately, providing your name, age, email, and password. Choose your notice period to be accepted within 24 hours. Once accepted, you can start working and earning money immediately. Next, select your home country. Remember, this opportunity is available worldwide. Finally, choose freelancer as your current job status, since freelancers have better chances of being selected. Verify yourself that you are not a robot and submit the application. That's it. You should be accepted within 24 hours and can start receiving files to work on and earn money online. How can Google Docs help me in this? For grammatically incorrect words and phrases, Google Docs will automatically detect them for you. For example, is this document here. As you can see, several words and phrases have colored underlines. You can right-click on these underlined sections and correct them instantly with a single button press. That's all there is to it. Just read through the entire document, look for the colored underlines, and right-click on the errors to auto-correct them. You can repeat this process as often as needed. Bonus tip. Another tip that can also be of help is Reverso. Simply search for Reverso on google.com. This tool will help you check for grammatical and spelling errors. Simply copy and paste the content from your document into this column. Then click the yellow button to check everything. It's a simple concept that you can repeat as often as needed. Thank you for tuning in today. See you next time.